New private home sales for June rose by almost 26% from a year ago as over 820 units were sold. Now, despite a dip from May, the figures are still the highest for June in 6 years.
Now, this also comes despite fewer launches last month, and analysts say this points to market resilience. Cheryl Lim with more.
June typically sees less buying activity and fewer launches as it's the school holiday period, according to analysts. And they say that's why June's new private home sales dipped 14% from May to 821 units, excluding executive condominiums. But they added that it's not a poor performance, considering June saw half as many units launched as compared to May, and that the sales gap between the months is narrowing.
The 13.8%, which is actually lower if you were to compare the same periods in 2018, 2017 as well as 2016. So it tells you that June 2019 is quite okay. It is not worse off than in the previous years, and it tells you that the market is fairly stable.
June sales also soared 26% from the year before. This was due in part to an attractive top seller, Sky Everton, and continued sales from existing launches. One analyst said it could be because those developers are pushing their agents harder, which may not have been the case last year.
The commissions have been increasing, and that's probably the case why sales are coming through for the older projects. It also sends the message that there is a great latency in the form of pent-up demand. If you raise commissions, it doesn't mean that sales will come through. I mean, this time around, you raise the comm, sales seems to be coming through.
Observers agree that the continued sales point to a resilient underlying demand.
We have had negative news on the adverse external environment, on the economic slowdown in Singapore. But this has not really spooked buyers very much. Buyers are still on the market, a bit more cautious, more price sensitive, but still buying nevertheless.
Looking ahead, they predict next month's numbers could be stronger thanks to more high-profile launches, such as One Pearl Bank. With June's numbers, analysts say sales for the first half of 2019 have already outstripped the figures for the same period last year by about 10%. And if sales momentum continues, they expect sales for the full year to beat last year's sales as well.